This is your time for relaxation, your time for healing and peace. Allow yourself to get into the most comfortable position as you start to relax. Now you can close and rest your eyes gently shut. And because the unconscious mind is interesting to observe as you drift naturally down into a trance-like state where those unconscious thoughts, images, and ideas flash or drift gently across the mind like schools of fish darting through the clear blue ocean. A part of you, as you notice yourself starting to relax deeper, can just watch all of those habitual processes in your mind, such as thoughts and ideas, like watching the surface of a beautiful pool of water for a while after a pebble has been thrown in, and just watching for the surface ripples to subside and the surface of the mind just to find its natural, smooth calm again. And thoughts and images can flash into view and then disappear to be replaced by others. Some thoughts about the past, some about the future and present, and sometimes your mind just drifts into instinctive awareness where all concept of time disappears and there is only a now. And you begin to relax deeper and deeper, going into a place in your mind where everything begins to fade away and all of those old worry, doubts, and fears begin to recede, to fade, to become gray, to become harder to see or to find. You feel calm, peaceful, and at quiet rest. As you settle down even more, you can think about the surface of a crystal clear pool of water somewhere so beautiful, where the colors and sounds and shapes bestow great peace and rest on everything in this place, and how much more reality it reflects when its surface is calm and peaceful and at quiet rest. Just taking a little time to get the idea of the colors and sounds and shapes in a place like that. And you don't have to try or try not to try. You can just allow your mind to create that for you. And if a pebble is thrown into that pool, there is only a small disturbance. No great storm, just a ripple, that's all. And then the surface returns to calm and composure again. And that pebble floats down, winding its way gently down into the coolness and peace of that pool, as if you could watch it now as it glides and weaves its way through crystal clear water, with the sun's rays caressing it and spraying it with golden underwater light. And the more you observe it from outside now, the more you can relax all over your body and mind. You can relax all over your body and mind, noticing the coolness of the air that you breathe in and the warmth of the air that you breathe out, noticing feelings of calm, sensations of peace and calm flow through the mind and body. As you sit resting by that crystal clear pool of water, you can imagine that you are now getting up to take a walk through the woods, and you're walking along a beautiful path through the woods. As you walk, you may be experiencing a number of things. Possibly you are aware of tall pine trees, some large, some small. is a gentle but comfortable summer day. Perhaps you feel a comfortable breeze gently cooling your face and arms. I wonder if you can hear the rustling of the leaves and the crunch of the leaves, twigs, and grass beneath your feet. As you look up through the leaves of the trees, you see sparkling sunlight dwelling in time with the breeze. And now you come to an open area with a small pond. At the end of the pond is a beautiful waterfall. At the other end is a stream which runs as far as the eyes can see. You look up and see a beautiful blue sky with a few white fluffy clouds lazily drifting by. You sit down by the pond and enjoy the sounds of water. You can perhaps hear birds singing, frogs croaking, and the waterfall. As you sit there, you sense that there is something special about the waterfall. It seems to be inviting you to come over to it. And so you do. You walk over to the waterfall, and every step relaxes you more. And you reach out and touch the water, and the temperature is just right. So you walk under the falls, and you feel its cleansing flow. And you realize that it isn't only cleansing your body, but it also is cleansing you. You feel all of the old worry, doubts, and fears, all of the negative energy, all of the negative emotions, anything that you've been carrying around with you. You feel it being cleansed right out of your system. Feelings of sadness or grief, feelings of being out of control, feelings of anger, all of the toxic emotions that hurt us and serve no useful purpose. Guilt and shame, things from the past that need to be released and let go of. Feelings of being out of control, unconfident. Feelings of being less than or not enough. There is a deep down part of you that knows what needs to be released, what you need to let go of. And the waterfall is helping and cleansing all of these toxic emotions, all of the worry, doubt, and fear, cleansing it right out of you, cleansing it out of your system, all negative emotions being cleansed and flowing away. As you look down toward your feet, you notice that the water coming from your body is a murky brown. And it is flowing across the pond and down the stream at the other end. The more negativity, the more toxic emotion that you release, the murkier the water appears to be. And as you feel these negative emotions, the toxic negative emotions being cleansed from your system, the water around your feet begins to clear. But you can see that murky brown water flowing further and further away and down the stream. As the murky water flows away, away from you and down the stream, further and further away, you notice you feel more and more comfortable, more at peace with yourself. You notice your feelings of calm increases. You feel more at ease. It gives you a strange feeling of relaxation. You feel an overall sense of well-being. You feel yourself being cleansed of all of those negative feelings. thoughts, all of the negative emotions from the past, everything that needs to be released and let go of, being cleansed from your system. And you know, and there's a part of you deep inside that knows that it's time to let go. Time to let go. And the waterfall cleanses it all, flowing away. And you notice the growing feeling of comfort and peace as the murky water flows down the stream further and further away, as the murky brown plots further and further away. You feel your problems dissolving. You feel a sense of release and relief. You are getting rid of those problems. The murky brown is flowing further and further away. It is now beyond your eyesight, and you can breathe deeper and exhale slowly a few times and really enjoy the freedom, the relief, the feeling of power in being free from those old, outdated problems and worries and fears. Things that were said that never should have been said. Things that were done that never should have been done. Releasing everything, letting it go. And you feel such a lightness of being, such an overall sense of wellness and balance and relief. And you realize those things were never yours to carry around. They never needed to go with you everywhere you went, and they are all floating further and further away, out of sight, gone so far away, so very far away. And the relief, the calm, the peacefulness flowing through you and around you, through your very bloodstream, filling you from the inside out, replacing all of the places where that darkness was dwelling, and filling it with light, with feelings of comfort, serenity, and well-being that remains with you even after you come out of this relaxed state. And you find yourself drifting back up to the here and now, coming back to the here and now, leaving the forest and the waterfall behind, ready to come back, bringing this calm and serenity, this peace with you everywhere you go. And as I count from 1 to 5, you come out of hypnosis, feeling energized, refreshed, and alert, feeling so vital and so renewed, enjoying this wonderful state of mind that goes with you everywhere you go. And whenever any of the old negativity or the worry, doubt, and fear tries to return, tries to wiggle its way in, you close your eyes and go back to the waterfall. And let the waterfall cleanse it all away. Let the waterfall do it for you. And now, 1. Beginning to drift and flow back to the here and now. 2. Noticing an energy, a flow of energy and vitality flowing through you, eager to come back to the presence of the room and the here and now. 3. Noticing an energy flowing within you, and peace and calm and balance. And 4. Noticing your body where it rests, noticing it and beginning to stretch and move that body. And 5, eyes wide open, completely back, feeling safe in the world, feeling serene, calm, and at peace.